And then we finish the upper with this. Okay, so we got the 6 through 11. So now we're talking about the shape and contour. Basically, I follow to patient tooth shape and contour, which is square and rounded, and little step down. As you can see, my final one, and the once I set up, I rebuilt about occlusion with the tooth morphology. Okay, so we just finished the wax up, which is canine rise from the canine to canine, then non other teeth is touching. You see this is the full mouth we have. The technician must have to know. So first we can check the protrusion, which is the inside edge position, and then move to the lateral excursion, which is non-hitting or slightly hitting, and the butt canine touching together. This is the non-function, the other adjacent teeth. So that one is the full mouth we have the wax up design from the patient wear situations. And then after that we can get a centric stop, which is class 1. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. We have a model from this, and look at this occlusion. Alright, so whenever we have the model really deep, so I have to extend the vertical dimension open bite. Okay, here same thing too, so we can open it. Where's a really deep bite, so we open it technically. And then we build up to lower 622 through 27, just like that. Okay, so make the good envelopable functions from the canine to higher, and then cuspid is down, but all flat, just like same domino effect. Cuspid, all cuspid same. Okay, compared to this, you see. So we have to build up, and not only this, we have to give them a little bit more curve of Wilson's. This is Wilson. This is curve of speed. But once you set up this, I want them to make the exactly same as the other side, like this. Same level, same level, same level, same level, same level. It's not look like natural teeth, but I want to get the cusp to upper touching. So whenever you evaluate the teeth, here is more down, here's more up. Therefore we have to increase the vertical dimension, and then we have to reset. So number one, we have to do 22 to 27 first, and then we finish the upper with this. Okay, so we got the 6 through 11. So now we're talking about the shape and contour. Basically, I follow to patient tooth shape and contour, which is square and rounded, and little step down. As you can see, my final one, and the once I set up, I rebuilt about occlusion with the tooth morphology. So this is more important, which is lower. It's not upper. Okay. So all the time look at the lower first. I'm talking about this. So number one, build up this. Number two, I build 6 through 11. Number three, I build this and this, same exactly curve of Wilson, curve of speed. We set up this. And then we follow this upper, so to get all occlusion contact, which is cos facet or marginal ridge contact. Not only this, after this, I'm ready, then we can make the dupe. So we make the stents, about 4mm stents. So number two purpose they can do. They can see prep guide, they can make the hole, or they can use temporary. But they can see it in the patient's mouth, just like that. They can do that. Two purpose. Okay. Now the other one is putty. We make the double putty, we call special putty. Here's a regular putty from GC America, and this one is light body and heavy body, and give it to them, the doctors. Not only this, we just cut it that margin area, and then so doctor can use this easily like this in the mouth, like this, so they can easily use it. All right. Same as this. The lower, same thing. Make sense? Now, this is the best part. We have to set the articulations correctly. And then we have to set up just like this. Now we see, open it. And then we see the movement. That's the beauty of the treatment plan wax up art. Without this diagnosis, it's not going to 28 teeth easily. We all the time recommend this movement from, like I said, protrusions, edge position. We determined inside edge positions, which is non-function the other side. Whenever patients moved laterally, it's non-touching or slightly touching, or canine must be touching. But the other one is non-function teeth. This is a one-on-one which a lot of technicians do not know. A lot of good dentists know already our concept. So therefore, the must build up with the wax up or mock-up design by technician or dentist, and then set up the full function for final 28 unit restoration. That's the key. That's why my highly recommendation, then we can improve the from here to there. Okay? Thanks for watching.